It looks like he's getting his ass whooped. Let's go. He's getting his ass kicked. What the hell?
This is Ed getting his ass kicked by a girl with a bag.
Yeah. He's getting danced around on yo. What the fuck is
that? Break time.
You want somebody? No, I'm not following.
Crazy woman. And he falls by this.
The bystander falls somehow.
He got his ass whipped by a rock.
You motherfucker. Alright.
Do they give up? I think they do.
Do they? I was gonna kick some ass too, man.
She's still ready.
Yo, she's ready, yo, take him out.
Okay, they gave up. These are the faces of the two fighters. This is Ed.
I'll get you right now.
And this is Lisa.
Crack hills, man.